Hello students, good afternoon.
Today will be so interesting.
In last period, I think Mr. Jamal sir has taught something about daydreams. I think you know very well about what you mean by daydreams. The dreams which we see day, okay, not in night. Night we can see dreams. Those are different. In sleeping mode, we see some dreams. Those are called as the night dreams. And daydreams means what? With open eyes, we see some dreams. It means because we hope something, that we want to purchase something. Sometimes we think that we can fly in the sky. Okay. Some people say think that we can ride airplane. Okay. We can fly just like a Bajrangbali, Hanuman, etc. It means these are the daydreams. These are the daydreams. Daydreams means which will not be fulfilled. Which will not be fulfilled. 100%, 99% we will not fulfill such a dreams are called as a daydreams. Already Mr. Jamal sir had taught some paragraphs. Even though I am going to recall. Okay. The name of the lesson is daydreams.
Only time pass.
Daydreams. Very interesting story. Daydreams. Let us start. Once there lived a couple who spent a lot of time in idle talk. What do you mean by idle? Idle means what? Useless. Useless talk. They always, once upon a time, what happened? There lived a couple. Couple means husband and wife. Couple means what? Husband and wife. Who spent a lot of time. They spent their lot of time in idle talk, in nonsense, in useless talk. One day, the husband said, I have always wanted to keep cows. If by chance I get some extra money from somewhere, I am going to buy a few cows. One day, what happened? The husband said to his wife that he wanted to purchase some cows. He wanted to keep some cows. He wanted to keep some cows means he wanted to possess some cows. Because cow is a pet animal, just like a cat, dogs, bullocks, etc., like buffaloes, etc. Cow also is a pet animal. But cow is very important. It is useful animal for human being. It gives us milk, butter, ghee, etc. Okay, it gives milk, and we can prepare such a materials, butter, ghee, etc. Okay, it is very useful. Okay, like that, this husband said to his wife that he wanted to possess, he wanted to keep some cows. And again he made a statement. What he made a statement? That suppose if he gets some extra money from somewhere, definitely is going to purchase some cows. But that means a lot of work. Look here. But that means a lot of work. You have to feed the cows, walk them, bath them, and milk them. Look here. Cows need a lot of looking after. One cow would be enough. There is no need to buy more cows, said the wife. But the wife, what she said? The wife said, look here, we can purchase cows, no problem. But cows need too much caring. We have to look after too much. We have to walk them, bath them, milk them, feed them. It is a hectic work. It is a hectic job to possess so many cows. That's why better to keep only one cow. Like that the wife said to her husband. But think of all the milk we will get if we buy more, said the husband. But the husband, he always saying, looking daydreams. That's why he said, look here, if we keep some less cows, we will get less milk. If we keep more cows, we will get more and more milk. And we will sell it and we will earn so many money. Okay, that is true. The wife agreed. Now the wife agreed because husband said that but think of all the milk we will get if we buy more. Suppose he said if we buy more cows, we will get more milk. Then the wife agreed. Yes, okay, you are right. You are right. You are telling very correct. If we buy more cows, we will get more milk. Like this he said. That is It's true, the wives agreed. There will be so much milk that we can even have plenty of ghee and butter and ghee. What the wife said. After all, yes. After all, she agreed. She said, yes, okay, if we purchase more cows, we will get more milk. From that milk, we can prepare plenty of ghee. Plenty. Plenty means what? A lot. Plenty. More. A lot. A lot of dahi, butter and ghee. Wouldn't it be lovely? Wouldn't it be lovely? She said. How lucky that I have all these earthen pots kept aside. She had some earthen pots. The wife had some earthen pots which kept aside without any filling. The earthen pots were empty. The earthen pots were empty. But when this husband told her wife about the cows and all, she agreed to keep more and more cows. Suddenly, on her mind, one thought arose. What? That those earthen pots which were kept aside, those pots will be filled with ghee, butter, milk, etc. I will use one of the pots for milk, she said. She will use one pot for milk, one pot for dahi, and one for butter. The ghee I will put in another jar. She said the ghee will be kept in another jar. And I will use this remaining pot to send milk to my sister. See what the wives agreed. She agreed to purchase more and more cows, and she planned also. What was planned? That to keep to purchase more and more cows. Then ultimately they will milk more and more milk, and after that, among that milk they will prepare different things, which are those ghee, butter, and again dahi, etc. And she decided to keep those dahi, butter, milk, etc. in different pots. And whichever one pot will remain, then what she will do? Look that. Okay. Send milk to your sister. Whatever one pot will remain, that from that pot she will send milk to her sister, her lovely sister. Send milk to your sister. Who said you could send milk to your sister? That time there will be plenty of milk. If we have so many cows, why shouldn't I send it to my sister? The husband asked the question. Yes. No doubt you can keep one pot, you can keep dahi in one pot, milk in one pot, butter in one pot. But why you are sending? Who told you to send that milk to your sister? I will not allow you, she said. But she said, look here, if we have so many cows, we will get more milk. Then why shouldn't I send one pot of milk, pot full of milk to my sister? Because we are going to sell it in the market. That is why I will decide what to do with all that milk, and not a drop of it goes to your sister. Remember, that time I said, no, look here, I am going to purchase the cows, and whatever we get milk, we are going to sell it in the market. That's why no need to send to your sister. Like that he said, he ordered to his wife. I'll see how you can stop me from sending a pot full of milk to my dear sister. I do all the hard work running after the cows, so naturally I will decide what happens to the milk. Just try stopping me, the wife exclaimed. The wife said, look here, I am going to work, I am going to take care of all the cows, and why you are going to stop me to not to sending the milk to my sister? I will send to the milk to my sister. So it is my right to send milk to my sister, and I will send definitely. And if I will see how you are going to stop me by sending the milk to my sister. Like that, the wife said to her husband. Okay, I think you understood very well about this lesson. You enjoyed this lesson. Okay, I will give you one homework. You have to solve, and remaining part I will teach you next page. Okay, question homework. What did the husband want to buy? What did the husband want to buy? Second, what plans did the wife make? I hope you understood the meaning of this question. What plan did the wife make? What type of plan made by the wife about that milk, ghee, butter, etc. About the pots, etc. You can answer these questions in proper manner. Okay. Thank you. Have a great day.